Hi, welcome to the Gear Garage. I'm Zach, and this is my funny little internet show about whitewater things. And on today's episode, I just want to give my quick first impressions of the GoPro Hero 8. I got one for an upcoming trip. I had a GoPro 7 before, but it got sheared off the mount and I lost it. And I needed to get a new one for a trip coming up. And I want to do more Gear Garage videos, and this is a nice tool to have for doing quick, easy, high-quality video. And I went with the GoPro 8 mainly because it doesn't have a separate case. All the GoPros previously had to put inside of some sort of either waterproof case or an enclosure, and that case was just one more thing I had to bring with me and it would break. And this thing just has these two little things that pop down off the bottom of the camera and go right on your GoPro mount. It's just really nice for me. I just want to throw this in a bag, pull it out really quick and use it. I don't have to deal with all the putting it in and out of a case, and so that's the main advantage for me. Also, it just does really high quality video. It's another step up in photos and video, and the software that comes with it for making the video smooth is nice. That's a nice bonus. But for me, mainly, it's just the quick and easy attachment when I'm using it. And also, since it's not in a plastic case, the microphone works better. And so I noticed last night when I was doing video that the microphone worked a lot better. And I just went and paddled a little bit just to get a sense of the quality of the video. I was super impressed. Because it does 60 frames per second at 2.7K, that's all technical jargon. I kind of know what it means. It just means slow-mo comes out really well. You can really slow things down and show friends how cool you are in slow motion. So kind of a nice bonus. It also has audio commands. The GoPro 7 had this too, but while I was paddling, I could say GoPro take photo, GoPro take video. There's a bunch of commands to control it. I noticed mid-rapid, it's hard to get those to work. But I know when I'm running a GoPro and a raft behind me, to go back and start and stop it all the time is tough. In the flat water, it works. In the middle of rapids, it's just there's too much white noise going on to make it all work. The last thing that's kind of a nice thing is this one has a removable battery. I had the GoPro Hero 7 and the GoPro 7 Silver, and it had just one battery, like an iPhone, for example. And this has a battery that can come in and out, which is really nice for those of you that are traveling, or if you're boating, you may need a couple batteries to get through the day. And so it's nice to be able to take the battery out, put a new one in, and it's a nice, easy enclosure, not a big deal. So that's pretty much it on the GoPro Hero 8. It's my first impression. I'll try to do a more thorough video later when I've used it a bunch, but I really liked it. They're about $400, maybe it's $450. I got $100. If you send in an old camera, you get $100 off. So I sent in one of my old GoPros and got $100 off, which was kind of a nice deal. But it's a little bit expensive, but I would say first impressions are worth it. If you do want to buy one and support the show, I'll put a link to Amazon. You can click down in the show notes or in the comments section, in the show notes below. If you click on it and buy it, we get a few bucks, and I appreciate the support. And yeah, if you have any questions, add a question in the comment section below. If you've used it and want to add your 2 cents on why it's great or not, please add a comment again. And yeah, see you next time. Thanks.